Hi everyone, thank you for visiting our channel. This videos will show you uh, how to plant string beans. This is the part of our trial. This beans is not totally dry because these fruits harvested. I harvest it in yellow green color and I will not let it be dry. So I'll open and there's
Nabilong siya sa pangit
planting to the
yuta.
ground. So this is the process: digging, clean the areas, and dig and uh, cover in
Diri.
soil almost 2
Tulog yapon. Diri.
inches.
1,
And after
2, 3.
watered it, give some water to fast germination. So this is a part of our
Uli
video.
sadang ito.
The part of this, you will see how many
Kasi kahati.
seeds
Ito.
will germinate.
1,
So
2,
this
3.
video
Hindi na ito yabay.
will verify the yellow green color of string beans fruits. String beans legumes, the fruits of the legumes are germinates. Uh, Thank you for watching and enjoy it. Sorry
1,
for
2,
the
3.
camera not
Kani siya nga trials
steady
ang
because
atong purpose na
I am
kung
alone
mutubo ba siya.
during this creation of video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
So dito ito ang mga butang. One, two, three. Dito. Dili ka. Tulog yapon diri tiro. So kailangan basa lang na siya permanente.